Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Proton Drive account. So if you also want to create Proton Drive account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Proton Drive application. If you haven't installed this application, make sure to install it. It is available both in Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Proton Drive is opened. You can see two options over here, create an account, sign in. If you have already created your account, all you have to do is tap on the option sign in. But if you want to create an account, all you have to do is tap on the option create an account. Now due to security reason, Proton does not let you record the screen, so it will appear blank, but I'll tell you what to do. Now you'll be asked to enter the email. All you have to do is tap on the box. Now enter your email. After that, tap on the next option that you'll be able to see on your screen. After that, you'll be led to another interface. You'll have to complete a verification. A verification code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is check your email. Simply go to Gmail application. You can see over here Proton has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the verification code over here. Go back to Proton Drive. Now enter the code. Now tap on the verify option that you can see on the screen. Now due to some reason it is showing invalid verification code in mine, but you'll be led to another interface. Over there you'll have to create a password. Simply tap on the password box, create a very strong password for yourself. After that, confirm that password. Now tap on the option create account. After that, your account will be created. So that is how you create Proton Drive account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.